Read me, with topic.
Mixed reality socialism and communism.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mixed reality socialism and communism. There is no widely accepted concept of mixed reality socialism or mixed reality communism. Mixed reality refers to a blend of virtual and physical reality, while socialism and communism are political ideologies that prioritize the collective ownership and control of resources and the elimination of economic and social inequality. Socialism and communism have been implemented in various forms throughout history, with different degrees of success and failure. Both ideologies aim to create a more equal and just society, but differ in their approaches and principles. Socialism tends to advocate for a gradual transition towards collective ownership and control of resources, while communism aims for a more immediate and radical transformation of society.